Hi everyone, welcome to the 24th Annual Congress of Asia Pacific Association of Gynecological Endoscopists and Minimally Invasive Therapy, APAGE 2024. Nowadays, patients who enter into our OPD want an instant diagnosis and remedy for their problems. Hysteroscopy is one such procedure. If you master in it, you would be able to fulfill her needs. To perform a safe hysteroscopy, it is very important to have a deep knowledge about the instrumentation, the electrosurgery, the distension media, and management of troubleshooting. A thorough preoperative evaluation of uterine cavity and patient selection criteria is utmost important. To master in hysteroscopy, one should undergo various levels of training. Level 1, attending conferences and webinar. Level 2, hands-on sessions on dry modules. Level 3, hands-on sessions on wet modules. And Level 4 will be incorporating it into your clinical practice with the help of a mentor. We at APAGE has introduced hysteroscopy as a part of pre-congress workshop, which will involve live surgical workshops and hands-on sessions on hysterosimulator, which will be guided by our expert faculty globally. I promise you that this experience will bridge a gap between the theoretical knowledge and real-time experience. Myself, Dr. Priya Lakshmanan, the core organizing team member of APAGE 2024. So what are you waiting for? Please do register. The team APAGE is awaiting to welcome you. Thank you.